We would like to acknowledge the presence of the Honorable Mayor Francisco Isko Moreno Dumagoso, committee headed by the University President, Attorney Domingo Y. Reyes Jr.
Yung ulo mo ba siya? Boss, ulo. Boss, we have
We kindly ask that the aisles remain clear during the walkthrough of our Honorable Mayor. We would also like to acknowledge the presence of the City Administrator, Attorney Warren Quintos, and Secretary to the Mayor, Letlet Zarcario. We would also like to acknowledge the presence of the Chief of Staff, Cesar Chavez.
What this is doing? This is where we're gonna look at the we can change the speeds.
Good afternoon, everyone. It is with pride and gratitude that we welcome you to this meaningful milestone in our Pamantasan's pursuit of academic excellence and service. Today marks another milestone in Pamantasan ng Lungsod ng Maynila's commitment to excellence in education, innovation, and service. What was once a simple audiovisual room has now been transformed into a modern, technology-enabled learning space now called as ICTSI Foundation Lecture Hall, made possible through the generous support of the ICTSI Foundation. This transformation is more than just a renovation. It is a testament to strong partnerships, shared vision, and our collective dedication to shaping future generations. We are deeply honored by the presence of our distinguished guests, especially the Honorable Mayor Francisco Isko Moreno Dumagoso, and our valued partners from the ICTSI Foundation, led by its Executive Director, Ms. Filipina C. Laurena. Welcome, and thank you for being part of this meaningful celebration. To formally begin our program, may we invite everyone to please stand for the invocation to be led by the Presidential Committee on Arts. Thank you, Mika. Please be seated. To officially welcome us all, may we call on the President of Pamantasan ng Lungsod ng Maynila, Attorney Domingo Y. Reyes Jr. for his welcome remarks.
Good afternoon to all of you. Of course, to our Honorable Mayor, who has always been welcome in our university always. And of course, our City Administrator, Sir Wardy, and our Secretary to the Mayor, sabi ko sana po Yalet, si Sir Let. And of course, our friends from the ISCTSI, Siemens Filipina Lorena. Of course, the Operations Manager, si Sir Francis Bartolome. And of course, the Admin and Finance Manager, si Sir Alan. Thank you very much. Hindi mo kami pinagdamutan. Dinagdagan mo pa yung budget, no? Thank you very much. And of course, ang dito komite ng tagapagpangasiwa, of course, si Sir Milky, Llorente, kahit na hindi ko siya nakikita, lagi siya nandito. It's quite providential. Nag-usap na kami ni Milky kahapon. It's providential because yesterday is exactly the 1 year when we started to inaugurate the renovation of this lecture hall. So, eksakto 1 year, April 22 tayo nag-start last year, and tayo ngayon ay nag-inaugurate na after a year. Last year, nagsuot ako ng orange, ng period recall. Naghanap ulit ako ng bagong orange. At naghanap ako ng panyong orange. Just to show how much and how profoundly grateful the community of Pamantasan for all these blessings that you have been giving us throughout the years, no? Nagsimula po kasi tayo sa mga scholarships, no? So nagkaroon na tayo sa infra, so baka bigger things are about to come, okay? So it's with great pride and heartfelt gratitude that I welcome all of you to this very special occasion, the inauguration of the new PLM Lecture Hall, which I have said earlier was generously donated by the International Container Terminal Services Incorporated. Today is more than the unveiling of a new facility, as this occasion marks another fruitful partnership of the university with ICTSI. In fact, I would more call it friendship. Indeed, this lecture hall opens new opportunities for the learning of our students and those who will use this facility. We gather here as educators, as students, as community leaders, as partners, as friends, united by a common belief that education remains and will remain to be the most powerful investment that we can make for the future and for the generations to come. This lecture hall is not merely a structure of walls, seats, lights, and sound system, though I really appreciate the state of the art that you have placed on this hall. It is actually a space where minds will be awakened, ideas will be challenged, dreams will be shaped, and future will fortunately begin to unfold. So on behalf of our institution and the entire academic community of the Pamantasan ng Lungsod, Maynila, I warmly extend our deepest and profound appreciation to the ICTSI, its leadership, for this remarkable gift to us. Your generosity demonstrates a profound commitment not only to corporate excellence, but to nation building through education. By supporting learning spaces such as this, you help us empower our young people with knowledge, with confidence and skills that they need to become productive citizens and responsible leaders of the future, those with values and those with principles. We are equally honored today with the presence of no less than our beloved mayor, and of course the city government of Manila. Sirs, your attendance adds significance to these occasions and reflects your continuing support for the programs that uplift the lives of the people through education, infrastructure, and public service, not only to the youth of Manila, but for the youth of our country. We are grateful that you have joined us in celebrating this milestone. To our students who are here and those who are not here, this hall has been built with you in the mind foremost of those who gave this our funds. It is a place where you will listen, question, discover, and grow. May you use this facility not only to nationwide, and of course our graduates of engineering and all other courses. This project proves that progress is possible when people share a common vision. That is not be the end of our collaboration, but a continuing and sustainable one, but the beginning of greater initiatives that will benefit of the future. Magandang hapon po.
Thank you very much, President Simon Reyes. We now proceed to one of the highlights of today's ceremony, the ceremonial ribbon-cutting ceremony, symbolizing the official opening of the ICTSI Foundation Lecture Hall. May we invite the following distinguished guests to proceed to the ceremonial ribbon. Honorable Francisco Isko Moreno Domogoso, let us give them a warm round of applause. creating an environment conducive to dynamic learning and collaboration. To share the vision and inspiration behind this generous initiative, may we now call on Ms. Filipina C. Laurena, Executive Director of the ICTSI Foundation.
Magandang hapon po sa aming mga ka-partners sa LGU, Mayor, and sa PLM. In behalf of the ICTSI Foundation Board of Trustees, I and my team in the foundation are very delighted to be with you today as we officially inaugurate this newly renovated lecture hall. This is actually our first university project. In our initial years, doon kami nakafocus sa daycare centers, public elementary and high schools. So this is our first university project, and it is justified that we partner with PLM because PLM is in Manila, which is the home of the ICTSI Global Headquarters and the home of our flagship port project, Manila International Container Terminal. I think we have to be proud sa Manila kasi the country's premier international container port nasa Manila. So proud tayo dyan, and this port, this premier port is operated by a Filipino company na nag-expand na as you see sa video. We have 34 ports in 19 countries across 6 continents. And of course, since the city government of Manila allowed us to locate and operate business, this is just right for us to help also in development, in the fields of education. So we are probably kami nandito si Mayor, which is an inspiring, nag-inspire sa mga youth kasi education is one big pillar of the foundation. And with Mayor, nai-inspire yung ating kabataan na isa talaga example na to get out of poverty, education talaga. And you see si Mayor mula sa kanyang beginning sa Tondo, now is leading Manila towards greater heights. This project also is a good example of the private